welcome back to my channel Accounts by Amrita. Hope you all are doing good. In the last video, we discussed topic 1 of unit 11.1, which was bookkeeping in small business. And in this video, we are going to start doing the exercise questions so that you could get some more clarity on the concepts. So let's begin. So let's read our first question. Unit 11.1, Activity 1A, using the cash book. Complete this cash book for Lick business and write answers to the questions below. Okay, so we are given a cash book for the month of February and it's a bit incomplete. We can see that there is some sort of missing information in it which we have to fill. So so questions are: write the balance after each entry, that's we'll do. Write the total amount in each column. How many different ways of earning income are shown in the cash book? Who are the debtors of the business? What is the debtor? Explain what is meant by drawings. Explain the difference between owner's salary and drawings. How much did the business spend on purchasing goods that were meant to be sold again, used in the business? How much did the business spend on other payments? Find the total of cash sales, money received from credit sales, cash payments. Why did the bookkeeper use payments instead of expenses in this cash book? Why doesn't the cash book show a record of transactions for 6th February? Alright, that's a lot of questions. Let's begin. First we'll have to fill the missing information in the cash book. As you know, simple concept is that what all the cash receipts we add and the cash payments we minus. So they have given balance brought forward, which is 344. Then there is a cash sales on the same day, 90. So that means the balance for that after that entry would be 354 plus 90, which is 444. Then next day cash sales 88.40. So the balance would be 532.4 after adding that. Then ESA on 3rd of February was our debtor and we received the cash, which is written cash from credit sales 4.80. So then the balance would be 537.20. Then there was a shortage of $2. Shortage is basically the difference between actual cash which we have and the cash book. When the balance of cash book is greater than the actual cash balance, then that's a shortage. We have shortage. So so that's why it's in payments category. So we are $2 short, so we'll subtract $2 from it, which balance becomes 535.2. Then cash sales, again add 624.70 is the balance. Then on 4th, YOMSA, another debtor, pays the money, which is 6.20. So the balance would be 630.90. Then there's a surplus of 4.80. Surplus is exact opposite of shortage. Surplus happens when we have actual cash we have is greater than the cash book balance. So it is cash receipt 4.80, so balance would be 635.70. Then on the same day there is cash sales of 86.60. Then the balance becomes 722.30. Then on 5th, there are some payments which have been made. PMV fares $15, purchase 600, freight outward 18, drawings 30. So we'll subtract all these items. So balance becomes 707.30, then 107.30, then 89.30, and lastly 59.30. Then we have cash sales for 50. The balance becomes 109.30, and last on 7th again there is a cash sale of 120. So final balance becomes 229.30. So that we have done. Write the balance after each entry we have done. Now write the total amount in each column. So basically we have to do the total of cash sales, cash from credit sales, and payments. So you can use your calculator for this. Also you could have used your calculator for the balance, calculating the balances as well. So total of cash sales comes out to be 529.30, cash from credit sales 11, payments 665. Then next question is, how many different types of earning income are shown in the cash book? Two types are shown. One is cash sales, one is sales basically. Other one is surplus. How many different, who are the debtors of the business? ISA and YOMSA, because those were the ones who paid cash for the sales, the goods they purchased on credit. And who is a debtor? A debtor is a person who owes the business some money. Some or certain amount of money. Explain what is meant by drawings. Cash or goods that the owner takes from the business for personal use. The word personal use is very important. Explain the difference between owner's salary and drawings. Salary is a fixed income the owner takes from the business on a regular basis. And drawings is the cash and or goods the owner takes from the business irregularly. It could happen once in a while or at different intervals. It doesn't necessarily mean that that's salary. Salary is fixed income at regular intervals. Drawings is irregular. And it's for personal use as well. How much did the business spend on purchasing goods that were meant to be sold again? Obviously 600. It's used in the business. Nothing is shown in the record that says that it is going to be used in the business. So no information has been given for this. How much did the business spend on other payments? Other payments would be PMV fares, freight outward, and drawings. And shortage as well. I missed that. So the total of these four items comes out to be 65, I think. Yeah, 65. Find the total of cash sales, money received from credit sales, and cash payments, which we have already done. Cash sales is 529.30. Money received from credit sales is 11. Cash payments is 665. Then why did the bookkeeper use payments instead of expenses in this cash book? Because there are accounts that show outflow of money from the business that are not expenses, like drawings, like shortage. These are not expenses. So that's why he used payments. So to put it into one column. And why doesn't the cash book show a record of transactions for 6th of February? There's nothing much there's no information has been provided, so you could just think that maybe the owner was sick, or maybe it was a public holiday, or it was a weekend that the business was closed, or something like that. Alright, now next question is Unit 11.1, Activity 1B. More about the cash book. Complete this table and indicate shortage or surplus. So this is on the shortage or surplus topic. They have given the actual cash balances and the cash book balances, and we have to find the difference and see whether that's a shortage or a surplus. So 78, they have two of the examples they have done for you. 78 actual cash balance and cash book balance 82, 4 is the difference, and it's a shortage because actual cash is less than the cash book balance. Then 98 and 96, actual cash is more than the cash book balance, so it's a surplus. Then 153 and 158, difference is of 5 and it's a shortage. Then 264 and 266, difference is 2, again it's a shortage. 863.80 and 860.90, difference is 2.90, and again but this time it's a surplus, it's not a shortage. And then 978.50 and 978.60, 0.10 shortage. So easy. Then next question, define the following terms: drawings, shortage, surplus, refund inward. Just for your knowledge, I am adding one more term, refund out. So drawings is cash or goods taken by the owner for personal use. Shortage, the difference in which cash book balance is greater than the actual cash balance. Surplus, the difference in which the actual cash balance is greater than the cash book balance. Refund inward, the refund the shop receives when the shop returns damaged goods to its supplier is called a refund inward. So basically, money received for the goods returned to the buyer. You buy the goods, it is damaged, you return the goods, you get compensated for it. So that's refund inward basically. And refund out is the refund a shop pays its customers for damaged goods returned is called a refund out. The case is opposite. Now you are the supplier kind of a thing. You are the vendor and you have a customer. You are not the customer this time. You have a customer and the customer has returned the goods to you and you are paying the customer the refund, so that is refund out. Now use the cash book below to answer the following questions. How much did the business begin with? Okay, they have given a cash book. Talita business, cash book for March. How much the business did the business begin with? It began with the balance brought forward was 367. 367, yeah. How much was a shortage? I can't see any shortage. Can you guys see any shortage? No. So the answer is nil. There is no shortage because there is a surplus. A refund inward. It is 13. Then question 5. The following are revenue and payments. Write R for revenue or P for payment beside each one. So they have given few expenses and few payments and revenue items, and you have to tell whether it's a revenue item or a payment item. So that's your homework. Then complete the cash book below for Mehndi close Toa by writing in the balance after each entry and answer the following questions. Okay, this question is also your homework because we have done one question, so you know how to write the balance and the totals, and you can answer other questions as well in this, which have been asked in this. Just the average cash sale, basically. You just this I'm telling you what you have to do. All the cash sales you have, just the cash sales, you total it and divide it by the number of cash sales that you have. That would give you the average cash sale. And then question number 7, prepare a similar cash book for WeWork office supplies and record the following transactions. This question I'll do it. This question will do it so that you could understand how to prepare a cash book. Then 8th question you'll do it yourself. 9th question also you'll do it yourself. And 11, and then activity 1C is also your homework. So let's just do question number 7, cash book for WeWork office supplies. Alright guys, this is question number 7, which is to prepare a cash book from the transactions given. So it's the first time we will be making cash book from scratch. So let's begin. First we have to draw the pro forma of the cash book, which is date, detail, reference, cash from sales, cash from credit sales, payments and balance, and also the heading. WeWork office supplies cash book, February. So let's begin. Balance brought forward 272. This directly goes to the balance column. Cash sales 104. This goes to cash from sales. It's a receipt. Credit payment received from Donnie 7.80. Cash from credit sales. The next one is also cash from credit sales. Then cash in means refund inward. Then surplus, credit payment received, again a debtor. Then cash sales, then credit payment received, again a debtor. Then deposit into the bank account. We are preparing a cash book. So for us, depositing money into a bank account is a payment, nothing else. So it would go to payment, deposit, payment. Purchase new stock from Kavi, wholesale invoice 0634, drawings, freight charges, cash sales, cash sales, refund inward wages, cash sales. So the rest is actually pretty clear, and you can see from the cash book that I have prepared. So yeah, and then question number 8, 9 are your homework, and activity 1C is also your homework. So let me recall all your homework basically. Question 5 is your homework. Question 6, question 8, question 9, and activity 1C are your homework. Don't forget to do your homework. We'll meet in your next video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Wait for the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.